This is the Beatbot Sora 30, a pool cleaner that stands out from the crowd because once it finishes its job, it can park itself indefinitely right on the surface. Plus, it will start to remove the water weight, so when you're ready to take it out, it'll be lighter and easier to remove. So if you ever struggled to hook onto the pool cleaner at the bottom of your pool, or if it's too heavy to lift out of the water, then this is a pool cleaner that you're definitely going to want to check out. So without further ado, let's jump in the video. First things first, I do want to let you know that Beatbot does send me media samples to check out for you guys, but this is not sponsored in any other way. Now, the Beatbot Sora 30 might look exactly the same as the Beatbot Sora 10, but I'm going to tell you they are definitely not. Yes, the 10 is a little bit cheaper, and the 10 is a great pool cleaner. But if you want something a little bit more, or if you need one of these key features, then the Sora is definitely a home run. Now, as far as cleaning ability, the Sora 30 did just as well as the Sora 10 and the 70. As most other Beatbots are just great cleaners. As the Beatbot in a complete cycle or auto cycle or however you want to call it, and Beatbot says it has a 5-hour battery life. And on my testing of one complete cycle, I got 271 minutes with 90% coverage. So it's pretty good. Actually did a little bit better than the Sora 10. Obviously, there's a lot of factors involved, as it did miss a little bit, but then, you're not using this just once, you're using this every few days. So as far as cleanability, it does a good job. Also love the debris bin. It's pretty large, coming in about 5 liters, and the cover of the debris bin, or the cover of the robot, just like the Sora 10, does come off completely. There's no hinge there, unfortunately, which this drives me crazy. And then it's easy to clean out. Not as easy as a blow through basket, but it's nice that the entire top is open. And then the charges up, it does include that big block that you have to plug in the back. They say dry it off. And I don't know how this thing's going to do long term with that metal. They do say it's titanium, so hopefully that won't rust or anything like that. Only time will tell. It's just a different plug than most other pool cleaners. And one nice physical thing on the Sora 30 is that it does have a rear scrubbing brush. Unlike the 10 that only has the front brush, this has a front and rear brush, so you're going to get more scrubbing ability on the floors and the walls. In addition, Beatbot mentioned that it has shallow water and platform cleaning. So if you have a ledge, tanning ledge, a Baja shelf, or whatever you want to call it, that's at least 8 inches deep, then this might work. Unfortunately, I'm not able to test this, but I can tell you it does have a little sensor on the bottom that you probably need for a ledge, but I'm not able to test that simply because I don't have one. I will try to test out on a friend's pool in the near future, and if I do, I'll definitely update the description down below and also on my website. But one thing is missing is that setting within the app. So I don't know if it's all automatic and you just throw it onto the Baja shelf and it's going to detect it right away and clean that upper area before it falls off, or if it just incorporates it in a complete cycle somehow. I don't know how it works, or there's some other way that you have to do it, because the ones I've previously tested that has some type of platform cleaning, that was something you had to do ahead of time in the app to turn that on. Maybe this is on all the time and you just have to throw it up on to that platform. And talking about the app, but it's very basic. You can only select a couple different modes in there. Obviously, you can't use it when it's underwater, and there's a physical button to have a all cycle or complete cycle, or one pre-select mode that you can select in the app. I think there's 2 other choices, so not a lot to choose from, but overall it does a great job of cleaning, and it's very nice and user-friendly in the app. But what I really want to point out in this review is its key difference or feature that I think a lot of people can use, because one of the most complaints or most heard comment about most pool cleaners is that either they can't get the hook into the robot, or they can't see the robot at the bottom of the pool and they can't figure out where to hook it in, or if it's too heavy to pull out because they're a smaller, weaker person or older person with that water weight, I can understand how it can be too heavy to pull out, even though it's only for a second or two while it drains out. And that is where the Sora 30 really comes into play, and definitely worth the additional cost. Yes, the additional brush is nice to have, but I think these two things are the game changer here for people who need it. And that is, once it's done cleaning, it will actually start coming up the wall to the water line, as other Beatbots do have water line parking. And those other robots usually will stay there for about 10 or 15 minutes before the battery dies, and then it'll fall down to the bottom. But what's nice about the Sora 30 is when it comes up to the water line, not only does it park there, but it actually start to pump out that water out of the machine. Thus, it's going to turn into a floating machine. And we've seen this in all-in-ones because of their skimming ability, but this one is so you can easily reach it with your hand, and it's lighter because it drains out all the water. Thus, it's going to stay at the surface. Yes, the water flow might move it around the pool a little bit, but it's going to stay indefinitely at the surface, so it's much easier to get out. Now, do be aware, depending on the water movement, it might not be at the edge when you come out there to pick up, but in most of my testing, you just have to wait a few minutes for it to move to the edge, or you're going to have to break out that pole to get it out faster. I think this is something that a lot of people can use. And yes, with this smart drain technology and it floating on the surface, they say it's lighter to lift out, and in my testing, maybe a little bit just because there's not as much water in there, but it's still pretty heavy and very similar to something like the Sora 10. Even though it's only for a split second or so, it's really not that much lighter to get out, but really love that you can potentially get it out with your hand quickly and easily because of surface parking. And my only minor cons with this is the way the debris basket is designed and where the intake is. There's like a little flap there that's probably there to help with the weight of the floating, but I see that it can get in the way of debris coming in. So if you have a lot of debris, bigger debris, you might get a clog there. As you can see here, I have some fake debris that's really could be the issue also. But if you don't have debris that breaks up as it's coming in, I do see where it can get clogged just because of the way that it's designed. And also, I have not seen a ultra fine filter for this. I have seen a pre-order for this on the Beatbot website, but until it's officially out, I haven't seen any Beatbots that have ultra fine filters, so I'll believe it when I see it. But all in all, this is a great pool cleaner, and if you're a pool owner that finds it difficult to get these robots out of the pool, no matter if it's seeing where it is at the bottom of the pool and getting the hook in there, or with the inconvenience of getting that hook and pole, or even the weight of it getting it out of the pool, then this is a pool cleaner that you definitely have to check out. And I will be doing a comparison of all my pool cleaners that I've reviewed this season on my website. So if you want to see a comparison chart, there'll be a link down below. And if this video helped you out in any way, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're a pool owner and tech lover like I am, hit that subscribe button because I review pool cleaners and other pool accessories all the time. And I will see you guys on the next video. Thanks for watching.